Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're here at the beautiful Morjim beach in North Goa. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the streets of Morjim. I'm also going to show you guys the beach. As you can see behind me, there's beautiful restaurants, cafes, bars, everything. This is the second place of Morjim beach. There are three parts of Morjim beach. So the first one is the Turtle beach. This one is known as Little Russia or Bora Bora. We are going to also check out the shacks and everything that is here. So let's go and check out this place, guys, here in Goa. Okay guys, so we are on the streets of Morjim here. So I just want to show you the streets before we go to the beach, just to give you guys an idea of what it's around here. So if you see, there's beautiful fields all around the streets of Morjim, and if you see here, there is like a few of these small restaurants. There's this massage places, but if you see, most of the places here are written in Russian, which is very surprising. So this is like a massage center, but if you see, everything is written in Russian. So as I mentioned, this is like known as Little Italy, sorry, not Little Italy, but Little Russia. So the amount of Russians that are there in this side of the area is a lot. So most of the crowd is Russians. There are few cute restaurants here, like Aloha is here. This is a boutique resort as well. We'll see a couple of other nice resorts and places on the way. But if you see the shopping here, so it's like very Indian kind of shopping. This is because a lot of the Russian tourists want to try out Indian clothing and stuff like that. There's a lot of international tourists that come to this area of the beach, which is mostly Russian, as well as you have Israelis as well. So this is called JD's. This is a nice place if you want to get like a Goan food. So they have like this small snack place. Let me just take a zoom in and show you. So they have like the Goan local cutlet bread and stuff, which is 90 rupees. And if you want to try some Goan food, come to this place. It's not a Goan food really, but it's basically Goan street food or Goan snack food, which is there. This is a hotel which I stayed in before. This is called Artisan. It's a very small hotel, but these are like little rooms that they have here on the right, and it's pretty nice because they are like small and nice, and they're very cheap as well. This is Morjim Deck, which is another nice place here. So we are almost at the beach. I just wanted you guys to get a feel of the area so you understand what it's like in this part. So as I mentioned, there's three parts of the beach. This is called Beach Walk Morjim. This is a really nice resort. It's like cabins. If you see here, they have like these beautiful cabins that are there here. There are many of these resorts in this area. Let me just show you. So this is the parking area here. I'm going to park there on the beach, but just to show you, on the right here, there are lots of these resorts all along this road, and they have a lot of these fancy restaurants as well. So but we are going to go to the beach, guys. So let me just show you. So there's another Montego Bay here, which is a really nice resort that is here. It's alright overlooking the beach. So if you ever want a beach front property, there's also Bora Bora there. Let me just do one thing. I'm going to take you guys for a little round here so you guys have an idea of what else is there here. So just a little small round, then we'll go to the beach. We'll take a ride down this area. So there's Xavier's Morjim here, which is a popular place, and there is Barlow's as well, just so you guys have an idea of what's there here. So this is Barlow's Beachside Grill. There's Aloha as well here. There's a lot of street shopping as well here, and as usual, as I mentioned, a lot of Russian tourists. So just to give you guys an idea, so there are the White Goa also is here. This is Tomatoes Shack. There is White Goa, which is another place. The music is like loud and blaring, and they have a lot of crowd as well here. So what we are going to do is let's head on down to the beach and show you guys from the beach. Just to show you guys, this side there's like shopping here as well. So you guys got a little idea of what is there available on the roads as well if you're coming here. So yeah, well, let's go to the beach and show you guys the beach. So yeah, beautiful blue skies in Goa. So the season has started. There's a lot of tourists in this area. There's a lot of Indian tourists as well here, and it's free for all. Anybody can come here. So I'm just going to park here and then I'm going to go and take you guys on the beach and show you guys the beach. Yeah, so this is the taxi stand here. If you guys ever want a taxi from here, these are the numbers for the taxi guys. So they will give you like taxi service on the beach here. So let's just head on down to the beach. You should come here probably around maybe 3 o'clock in the afternoon or so, because this is like where the best scenes happen. And yeah, let's just go and check out the scenes from here. So these are like the shopping that is here. The shacks that are here are not built up yet, but I'm just going to show you like the happening places that are here. So the shacks are still being built up here, which will only open up in like May and November. So that in the distance there is the Morjim 1, we would call it. That is the main Morjim beach area. And then you have this area here, which is the Xavier's Morjim, which is the shack here. So we took a ride from the other side of the beach to show you guys what it's like. So Morjim beach is very peaceful, very quiet, but it's also very happening. So if you see this side of the beach is very, very happening. So let's just go close up and see what's the scenes that are happening here. So this is Aloha. So Aloha is like a little upmarket place here, which is let me just show you the crowd. So if you can see the crowd here, which is very, you know, upmarket, very beautiful place. And I mean, it's a nice place if you want to chill out, relax, and you know, have some sunset vibes. There are a couple of shacks that are all connected here. So the only difference you can come to know about which shack is which is because of the color of the beach beds here. So the different beach beds have different colors here. So yeah, so these are the different ones that we are. So this is, I think that one is the white Goa. Yeah, this is tomatoes. So tomatoes, and then there's the white Goa, which is the dark blue color there. They also have like this water area here. Guys, please never go into that water there. It's super dirty, and you know you don't want to go in that. So let me just show you the area around here. So yeah, this is like the scenes that is happening right now. There's not a lot of crowd, but most of the people that are swimming here are the international tourists who are ready to get burnt. It's so hot right now. If you come here, you definitely need sunglasses, and you know, you should just I don't know, for me, I wear a jacket and everything. If you see people left all their helmet and things like this. So this is like one of the safest beaches to come to. People don't interfere with you at all here, and this is a bikini friendly beach. So if you guys ever want to, you know, wear a bikini, go on the beach and chill out, then this place is like the best beach to come to, because like, you know, everybody wears a bikini here. There's no judgment, and there's like beach beds and everything. The beach which is right next to this is that side, which is the Ashram beach. That is also a nice beach to go to. That is also very popular with international tourists. There is, the next one is another part of Morjim beach, not Ashram. After Morjim beach is Ashram. But yeah, so these are some of the places. Over there is another resort which is overlooking the beach. So if you want to like stay on a beachfront property, there are 3-4 resorts here. There's Morbit there, which is also a beachfront property there, and there's another one. So if you use the Google Maps, which I will post in the link below, you will be able to see this beach and get an idea of the scenes from here. But yeah, guys, so this is the Morjim beach here in North Goa. Beautiful skies today. It's very sad to see that the beach is quite dirty here. Guys, if you ever come to this beach, or you come to any place in Goa, make sure to keep Goa clean. It's so beautiful otherwise. And most of this, you know, the trash is because people come here, drink and throw their bottles and things like that, which is so sad. But yeah, if you come to this place, you'll really enjoy it. So just a last look at these beach front place here. So yeah, guys, this is the Morjim beach here in North Goa. So guys, that is it from here in Goa. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like and subscribe, and I'll be bringing you guys lots of other videos from here in Goa.